Hi guys, today we're going to see the video about cylinder blast. Why cylinder blast is happening nowadays? Because cylinder blast is happening. You don't know how to change the cylinder properly. For example, from one family, the female is going to change the cylinder without off the gas or without opening the windows. Why you should open the window when you change the gas? Because if any problem, the gases will go out. It will not remain in the room. If the gas remain in the room, it will cause pressure and it will blast. So that is the thing which going to be very dangerous thing. So don't do the things which will not have going to happen at a certain moment. So please take care of cylinders. Don't change the cylinder inappropriately. Please change the cylinder appropriately. Please always open the windows of the
It's not good. Moria is
room
not good, you know.
so the gas will not
And every day fight
pressurize.
and fire. You condition people.
Thank you
Three
friends.
people
Today is
dead.
the very important
Mother,
video
father,
because nowadays
mother,
lot of cylinder
and two
blast news is
daughters.
coming.
That small
So
daughter.
please
That
take care of
please help
yourself.
me.
Thank you.